Sirens echo through the skyline. Every headline burned for days. Everybody reaching upward for a future built to fade. Then you smiled across the table, like the world had finally slowed. And for one brief quiet moment, all my restless years grew still. Let the cities keep on shouting, let the towers scrape the sky. I would leave behind tomorrow just to keep you here tonight. Because one love held honestly outlives everything we build. And your hands against the darkness felt more certain than the noise.